Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you how this bamboo utensil drawer organizer transformed my drawer. This BAMEOS utensil drawer organizer is so cool. It is made for flatware, but you can use it for just about anything. I love that it has these expandable side compartments. It has so many little compartments already, but then just to be able to expand and have those is awesome. I love that it fits everything I need. It is made from 100% organic bamboo, so it is very durable, but this is why I needed it. My silverware drawer was out of control. Every utensil you can imagine, sauce packets, just everything, and I was so sick of looking at it, and I just knew when I saw how pretty this bamboo one was that I had to have it. It fits everything I need. It looks so pretty with my flatware in there, and I just overall love the organization. Good for utensils, good for tools, for whatever you need it for. And like I said, very durable, expandable, easy to use. Just overall, it looks so great in my drawer. So if your utensil drawer needs as much help as mine did, I would highly recommend this bamboo utensil drawer organizer, and that is my point of view.